Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. When s approaches to number 0, so we put number 0 gone here, number 0 gone here. You got about 0 over 0. So we have 0 over 0. We can use about L hospital. So we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So first derivative of this one, you got about cosine of sine s. Inside of sine s, you got about sine s in here. So we need to do first derivative of sine s. First derivative of this one, you got about number 1. First derivative of sine s, you got about cosine s. Later that we put number 0 gone here and here. This one you got about number 0. Cosine of number 0 you got about 1, similar for this one. And then you got about number 1. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.